Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a search bar on your menu or whenever you want on your site. So, wherever. So basically what you're going to do is we're going to left click on the tutorial, or that's the name of my site, but this home icon right here and right below that should be the visit site. Click on that, and right after that, next to tutorial or whatever the name of your site is gonna be the edit site button. We're gonna click on that, and it's gonna take us to this page right here, which is the edit site page. Basically on the right side is gonna be your website. You're gonna left click on that website so we can edit it, and here we're basically gonna click on the wall and click this plus button right here on the on the top left hand side. We're gonna search for search basically and drag it into our about us menu. I'm gonna put it right below that, but you can put it next to it or behind it. I'm gonna put it right below it. So here it is. We can basically play around with it. We can drag it. We can put it whenever we want basically. We can align left or align right or center. We can change button position or use button with icon, or basically put it in bold. We can select a group, or I don't know, basically you can search columns or groups, but that's about it. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you, and I hope I guys did something well today. See you guys in the next one. Bye.